Most diesel owners think their engines are unstoppable, tough, rugged, built to last, but here's a hard truth. 70% of diesel engine failures come down to one thing: bad maintenance habits. That's right, engines designed to run 500,000 miles are dying before 80. Not because they're weak, but because drivers were following the wrong advice. You could be babying your truck and still killing it. In this video, I'm giving you the 5 habits that can make your diesel last 300,000 miles or more while saving you thousands in repairs. And trust me, habit number 5 is a total engine saver. Let's jump in. Habit 1. Change your transmission fluid. It's not manufacturers love saying, no need to change it. But here's the deal. Your diesel isn't living in a test lab, towing trailers, sitting in traffic, hauling loads, dusty roads. That fluid breaks down fast. And when it does, metal shavings, varnish, and sludge turn your transmission into toast. Pro tip: automatics drain and fill every 60,000 miles. Manuals 60K100 kVTS. Follow the manual closely, usually every 30K 60 Qs only the fluid your manufacturer recommends. No guessing. Habit 2. Treat your turbo right. Your turbo spins at 200,000 revolutions per minute and handles 1.800F. It's like a jet engine under your hood. The number one way people destroy it? Turning the engine off right after hard driving. Oil stops flowing. Turbo keeps spinning. Bearings burn up. Solution: let it idle for 30-90 seconds before shutdown. Also, avoid cheap oil. Change it on time. Don't overuse auto start. Stop. A little patience now saves you $2,000 plus in repairs later. Habit 3. Replace your fuel filters. Often diesel fuel isn't pure. It's got water, microscopic junk, and biodiesel blends that gunk things up. A dirty filter overworks your fuel pump, and when that fails, you're looking at a $5,000 plus injection system rebuild. Change filters every 10,000-15,000 miles and drain the water separator monthly. It's a $40 habit that protects a system running at 30,000 psi. That's rocket level pressure. Habit 4. Change your oil every 5,000-6,500 miles. Dealers say 15,000 mile intervals. Mechanics say, not a chance. Why? Diesels create soot that mixes with oil and becomes liquid sandpaper. It slowly destroys your engine from the inside out. Ignore this, and you'll be shelling out for a rebuild way too soon. Regular oil changes are cheap insurance for your turbo and your engine. Habit 5. Maintain the cooling system religiously. Diesels run hotter and harder than gas engines. Coolant isn't just for keeping temps down, it protects against total engine failure. Flush it every 2 to 3 years or 30K 40K miles. Old coolant turns acidic and chews up radiators, pumps, and gaskets. Overheat once and you could warp your cylinder head. Game over. So, here's the million-mile question. Are you building a diesel that lasts, or driving one that's secretly wearing itself out? These 5 habits cost pennies, but ignoring them, that'll cost you an engine and a small fortune. Subscribe now to Auto Repair. We drop straight talking, money-saving car advice every week because you deserve to drive smarter, not spend harder.